What's good, boys? It's January 22nd, 2025, and we hit some banger ass trades today. So, this is my AMD trade. We pulled at this new day opening gap right here. This one. So when we tapped in, I just pulled at the very top. I wanted to secure my profits because I was already up a huge amount. So ended up just closing my position. I'll show my P&Ls for that one. That's my first trade today. I have another one over 100% trade on Palantir swings. I'll show y'all that one after this, but I'm gonna break down the trades. I drew up this trend here. Drew up this trend. Just waited for the trend to be broken. Hopped in at around 9:45 this morning, if I do remember correctly. Around here, or like there to there. Around 9:45, I think, somewhere around there. Caught it right up to the top in a perfect reversal for me. I did get scared a little bit when this kind of brung it down, but I ended up drawing up a level right here on this new opening gap. It was a little bit smaller in this actually in real time, but more like this. And you can see on the 1 hour we did tap off that and run up to the next new opening gap. So I kind of uses those two as my range. You'll see me doing that a lot, and I identified the bull market as the changing character. I mean, you can just tell that this is a changing character, of course. I mean, look at it right here. It's a clear changing character, but this trend right here showed me that we were bearish, and then the reversal is here into a rebalance. Boom, we've rebalanced to push up, and then over here you can see we have another rebalance to push up. I mean, it is clear market structure, higher high, lower low, same thing. You get the concept by now. Now we're starting to see either another rebalance to push up or changing character. We won't know until this trend gets either broken or respected. That's how I identify whether a market's bullish or bearish. I'll wait for the trend to be broken, and then of course the trend will switch naturally. I'm sure you can decipher that. But yeah, that was my AMD trade. Pretty simple, straightforward. I'm gonna show you my Palantir trade. It was a swing, not a day trade like AMD was. I'm gonna show you Palantir. So on the daily chart, I had this trend drawn up. We broke the trend here, but I was actually in preemptively. So I did talk about this in one of my other videos, but this is AA plus setup for me. We have our squeeze. Of course, you can see our squeeze, which is basically just the trends that are squeezing in between price to create a range. You can decipher it like that. So you see we came down below our squeeze, and we switched into bearish momentum here, and character was changed, and the bias was flipped from bearish to bullish. So I recognized that, and I'm like, okay, we have hella buying power right now. Like, the volume is crazy. We're going up crazy. So why wouldn't we just push through this trend? All right. So I hopped in here at 12 on Friday last week, and I rode it all the way up until today, Wednesday the 22nd, and for a huge profit. I'll show those right now on screen. But a banger trade. I did pull out up here on right above this new day opening gap, just because honestly I think I could have held this a lot longer, and that is my mistake. I should have held this till expiration probably, but I want to secure my profits. It was great profits. I didn't want any risk of it gapping down overnight and losing my profits, nothing like that. So I ended up just pulling out my position. With more capital, I would be holding this trade. But I definitely want to take the good and big wins and run with those big wins for now, because I understand scaling your risk comes with a good portfolio. But I'll get into risk scaling later, and we'll cover all that. I do have a Discord channel where I cover a bunch of stuff, and I'm going to start a paid Signal server very soon for y'all that want the exclusive content, one-on-one mentorship, paid time, live trades every morning. Things like that. I teach my model. I teach everything and way more than just the stuff I show on my YouTube. I do mostly trade recaps and showing you guys how I look at the market in these trade recaps. But in my Discord, with the one-on-one mentorships, I will be showing things like risk plans, psychology tips. A lot of psychology is what I like to focus on, and basically things like that have to do with the actual person that's trading and not just how to trade it. Because I could show you this all day, but without actual guidance or an understanding of the market and how your brain works and how your brain reacts to the market, it'll be really hard for somebody to copy. You could say copy, but try and do what other people do. That's why people will copy strategies from other people and it won't work. But yeah, if you guys are interested in that, please do let me know. But yeah, great trades this week, great trades today. I appreciate all y'all for tuning in. It's a short little video, just a recap. I've been very active on YouTube, but I've been active in my Discord server. I've been working a lot, so I've mostly been trading from my phone. So it's been hard for me to record. These trades were taken on my phone as well. But yeah, I appreciate all y'all. We're gonna make something big, boys. Hell yeah. Peace out.